video, I'll be doing a realistic what I do in a day. Right here, as you guys can see, I'm getting my lunch prepared for work, and what I'll be eating is a Caesar salad with chicken. I love this Caesar salad kit that I get from Walmart because it comes with the Caesar dressing, it comes with croutons, it comes with shredded cheese, and it also comes with like a black pepper spice mix, and it just makes the perfect salad. If you have not tried it, I definitely do recommend you guys go ahead and try it out. But this is pretty much how my lunch is looking for the day, but I still wanted to add more protein to it, so I will also be getting some seasoned blackened chicken. Okay, and this is a John Soul Food. You can also get this at Walmart, and what I love about this chicken is that you can heat it up on a skillet, or you can put it in the microwave, however you want to do it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys right here exactly the chicken that I use, and it doesn't come with a lot of chicken, y'all, so if it's your first time, you might want to go ahead and grab 2 bags of that. And yeah, and I'm just showing you guys pretty much how the whole bag looks, and I'll just go ahead and save that back in my fridge. And you do store it in your refrigerator, so it's nothing that you have to freeze. But as you guys saw, I just literally have 2 little strips of that chicken in there that I'm going to go ahead and dice up in my salad. And I'll be trying the Olive Garden Parmesan Ranch. I'll be bringing that instead of the Caesar Ranch because I just wanted to try a different salad dressing. So everything, y'all, since I've been meal prepping and everything, oh, there's me at work, y'all, busting up that salad that I had later that day. But I have been portioning like my meals very good, and I find that portion sizing that also like accelerates your weight loss. So I definitely do recommend, especially when it comes to like sauces and sides, definitely find you some little containers and just make sure that you're portioning kind of everything that you eat so you don't go overboard, because I'm a sauce person, girl. So if it's up to me, I would just bring the whole thing of dressing to work. Okay, but that's not how we do things in 2023 period. So that's pretty much my lunch that I prepared for the day. I like it because it's light, but I feel like the chicken kind of gives me the protein that I need, and it also allows me to feel really full. So yeah, so that's like the perfect little meal. And of course, y'all, I had to get something to drink. Okay, so I got the green tea watermelon Lipton tea. This is a new tea that I saw in the store, and I had to try it, and it's pretty good. So I definitely recommend you guys try it out. Now, the bread and butter to any weight loss is water. So I do bring a bottle of water, and I also do bring my little tumbler, and I put water in there, and I drink water all throughout the day. So when I'm feeling hungry, I do sip on water. And these are pretty much the vitamins that I take. I take the hair, skin, and nails every day. I take the multivitamin every day. The emergency, I try to take that one every day. And then the fiber, I take that one kind of maybe 2 or 3 times a week. Just when I'm kind of feeling backed up and I feel like nothing is really moving, that's what I go ahead and use. But I believe I got that Nature's Truth collagen gummies. I believe I got that at TJ Maxx. The Equate one comes from Walmart. The Emergency, that one also comes from TJ Maxx, and the Vitafusion comes from Amazon. Okay, so if you guys need some vitamins, I will go ahead and link some of this stuff in my Amazon store, where you guys can click the link below and find some of these vitamins and different things that I use throughout the video. But I love taking my vitamins, y'all. It gives me energy. And just remember, like, your body cannot produce vitamins, so just make sure that you are definitely taking your vitamins. That also helps with your weight loss. And I also take these are some women's probiotic and prebiotic packets. It's a powder packet, and it doesn't taste like anything, so you can add it to your favorite sparkling water, your favorite juice. You literally can't taste it, y'all, or you can just put in a little bit of water and shoot it back. That's normally what I do, and that helps with like bloating and stuff. And this is pretty much what I have for breakfast, y'all. I have coffee. I have been trying the new Starbucks toasted graham cracker pods in my Keurig, and it's pretty good. I love to drink my coffee in the morning. Now, sometimes I do switch out from having coffee to having like a fresh pressed juice. So it just depends on how I'm feeling for the day. But I usually feel pretty full, y'all, for a couple hours after drinking my coffee. And these are the 2 creamers that I use. So yeah, so I don't really get hungry, y'all, till like almost 12 o'clock in the day. So yeah, so I love to use that creamer, and I also love the non-dairy creamer as well. To me, they are very similar in taste, and you really can't tell the difference. And sometimes I like to use both of them. So yeah, so that's pretty much my breakfast, y'all. That holds me up for like 3.5 hours. There it is, okay? And I literally put it in my little tumbler and I take it to work with me and I sip on that throughout the morning. And, you know, snack time, snack time, snack time, okay? Very simple snack here. I'm using the Quaker apples and cinnamon rice cakes. And all I'm doing is I'm going to add peanut butter on top of this rice cake. And then I'm going to add pieces of banana on top of the peanut butter. So all you need is rice cakes, peanut butter, and bananas for this recipe. I really love this recipe because it is packed with protein and is very easy, very simple to do. And I think this is way better than like having an entire bag of hot fries, because I know myself, y'all. Okay, I will eat the whole bag of hot fries. But I feel like things like this are more nutritious, of course, in value, and it definitely will help you with your weight loss, y'all. I'm telling y'all, a caloric deficit will help you lose weight, y'all. So don't go overboard when it comes to calories and different things like that. Just make sure you try to stay, you know, in your daily range of what you need to lose weight. And I think you can go online and enter like your weight, your height, and all that stuff to see how many calories you should be eating in a day. But don't go overboard, y'all. So I love that snack right there. And for dinner, I am making some tuna wraps, and that is the tuna that I use, the Starkist tuna and water. And this is pretty much how I prepare my tuna for dinner. So I pretty much already have my tuna in a container, and I'm just cutting up some bell peppers. You can also add onions to it if you like, but I do like it with just the bell pepper. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut up a boiled egg as well. This was actually some eggs that I boiled last night, and I just put it in the fridge and it stays good overnight. And then also I'm just taking a little bit of mayonnaise just to go ahead and give it a nice base. And now I'll be adding my seasonings to my tuna, which is cayenne pepper. I'm also adding some iodized salt. And then you guys are going to see me add some black pepper. I love black pepper. So yeah, so I pretty much season up my tuna really well, and then I just go ahead and stir it up, and then I go ahead and put it in the fridge and just let it get really cold. I do like to eat my tuna cold. And there you have it, my tuna wraps for dinner. I'll be using a whole wheat tortilla. So I literally just take my tuna out of the bowl and I put it onto my wrap, and I kind of hold it like a taco and eat it. You can also roll it too. I'll show you in just a second, like this. And you can also eat it that way so the tuna does not spill out. But I want to show you guys, this is the tortillas that I use, the Mission Carb Balance whole wheat. And I'm just having a side of sun chips. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel.